Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create grab the sun in the sky video editing in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my CapCut, and first of all, I'm going to create your project and I'm going to import this video to my project. I'm sorry for the video guys. Actually, you can shoot your video outside for better editing. In the video, you can pretend like you're grabbing the sun in the sky, but here I'm just going to use this video. Okay, and we're going to add the sun to this video. I'm going to click on overlay and click on add overlay, and I have just downloaded sun footage from the internet. I'm going to use it for my video. Okay, and I'm going to blend the video with my first video. I'm just going to select lighten and click on the check mark, and I'm going to place the sun right here. But wait, I'm just going to make it smaller. You can adjust the position according to yourself in the video. Okay, I'm just going to place it right here. Just make it bigger a little bit. Okay. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied, guys. Right, and I'm going to add keyframe to the sun. I'm going to add the keyframe to the beginning of my video. And for the second keyframe, I'm going to add it right here. Click on the keyframe and adjust the position like this. Oops. Wait, I'm going to cut the video. Okay, and I'm going to see the final result. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create grab the scan in the sky video editing using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.